The mysterious signs that shows the existence of alien life. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered if we're alone in this universe? In this video, we'll explore the mysterious signs that suggest the existence of alien life. Join us on this journey as we uncover the secrets of the universe and take a closer look at the enigmatic clues that could finally solve the age-old question of whether or not we are truly alone in the universe. Don't miss out on this captivating exploration of the unknown. Chemical signatures. In the year of our cosmos, 1976, a remarkable discovery was made on the Red Planet. The Viking Mars landers, scouring the barren surface, stumbled upon chemical clues that hinted at the presence of life. By mixing the Martian soil with radioactive carbon-labeled nutrients, the scientists observed the production of radioactive methane gas, a telltale sign of metabolic activity. While subsequent tests on board failed to corroborate the finding, the original researcher and those who have since scrutinized the data still maintain that the evidence of organic molecules, a fundamental building block of life, was present, although some disagree with the research and think of it as a hoax. Wow! In the year 1977, a radio telescope at Ohio State University picked up a mysterious and unexplainable pulse of radiation from the direction of the constellation Sagittarius. This signal lasted for a total of 37 seconds and was so perplexing that the astronomer who was monitoring it wrote "Wow" on the printout.
It's the most popular possible signal from aliens that we've found.
Even more eerie, the signal was found within a range of radio frequencies that are forbidden for use on our planet. And what's more, natural sources of radiation from space do not usually cover such a limited range of frequencies. The closest known star in that region is an unfathomable 9.69 light-years away, which means the signal could have only been created by an enormous astronomical occurrence, or perhaps even something beyond this world. Intelligent aliens with an incredibly powerful transmitter. To this day, the signal remains a mystery, a perplexing enigma that is yet to be explained.
Ehrman and others subsequently searched the same patch of sky many times, but found nothing. The WOW signal had vanished.
Alien fossils. In 1996, a groundbreaking discovery was made. NASA scientists claimed to have unearthed what appeared to be fossilized microbes in a mysterious meteorite from Mars. The rock, which had traveled for 15 million years before crash landing in Antarctica, contained organic molecules and traces of mineral often found in Earth bacteria. Under scrutiny, the researchers also observed signs of nanobacteria. However, since then, many experts have contested the evidence. Some believe that the organic molecules may have originated from contaminants on Earth, while others dispute the mineral's similarity to bacteria. A later study demonstrated how similar crystals could be artificially grown in a lab, adding to the intrigue. What secrets do these Martian fossils still hold? Heartbeats from space. The cosmos has once again revealed its secrets. Astronomers have picked up a curious radio burst, shrouded in mystery, emanating from a galaxy far beyond our reach. The signal bears a striking resemblance to a rhythmic thumping of a heart, but what lies behind this peculiar occurrence is still unknown. This fast radio burst, FRB, stands apart from others that have been detected in the past. It is the longest lasting of its kind and exhibits the clearest periodic pattern observed this far. FRBs are fleeting bursts of radio waves that flash across the cosmos in the blink of an eye. These intense bursts of energy can travel billions of light years across space, visible to those with the means to detect them. The exact origins of FRBs continue to baffle scientists, but their occurrence is undeniable. Since their discovery in 2007, hundreds have been detected across the universe. The FRB at the center of this new study, dubbed FRB 2019-1221A, is an extraordinary discovery.
FRB 2019-1221A emanated from a galaxy several billion light years away from us.
It defies the norm, both in its duration and its pattern. While typical FRBs last for only a millisecond, FRB 2019-1221A endures for 3 seconds, a duration that is 1,000 times greater than the average. Further analysis of the signal has revealed an eerie similarity to a heartbeat. The radio wave bursts repeat every 0.2 seconds, like a cosmic pulse. The implications of this discovery are staggering and invite speculation about what secrets lie within the farthest reaches of the cosmos. Kepler 1649c. Kepler 1649c, a fascinating exoplanet that has caught the attention of astronomers all over the world, discovered by the Kepler Space Telescope.
Kepler infers the existence of planets by measuring the brightnesses of stars very, very precisely.
This planet is located a whopping 300 light-years away from our planet, but what makes this exoplanet even more intriguing is that it's located in the habitable zone of its star, which means that it may have the right conditions to support life. As of now, we don't have any direct evidence of life on Kepler 1649c, or any other exoplanet for that matter. However, scientists are studying this planet with great interest, looking for any signs that may indicate the presence of life.
We're doing that about 170,000 stars simultaneously, so it's a big camcorder looking at a lot of stars.
They keep a watchful eye on the planet and its star, hoping to catch a glimpse of any unusual activity that may suggest the existence of life. To do this, researchers look for specific gases in the planet's atmosphere, such as water vapor, methane, and oxygen, that could potentially be produced by living organisms. While these gases could also be produced by non-biological processes, the discovery of them would be a strong indication of life on the planet. In May 2020, a team of researchers reported that they had found evidence of an atmosphere on Kepler 1649c using data from the Hubble Space Telescope. This is not direct evidence of life, but it's still an exciting discovery, as it suggests that the planet has not lost all of its gases to space, which is a good sign for potential habitability. Who knows what else scientists may find on this mysterious exoplanet in the future.
Prior to Kepler, we believed there were other planets around other stars. We believed that what we had around our solar system was ordinary.
Proxima Centauri. Did you hear about the mysterious radio signal detected in 2019 by the Parkes Radio Telescope in New South Wales, Australia? It's causing quite a stir in the scientific community. The signal was coming from the direction of Proxima Centauri, the closest star to the Sun, which is a mere 4.2 light-years away. Can you believe it? And get this, Proxima Centauri has at least 2 planets orbiting it, one of which could be a rocky, temperate planet like our very own Earth. The signal, which the team dubbed BLC-1, was detected by Breakthrough Listen. A decade-long search for alien broadcasts from the nearest million stars. The team was studying Proxima Centauri when they picked up on the conspicuous signal, although experts are cautioning that there is probably an ordinary terrestrial explanation for the signal. The mere suggestion that there might be life beyond Earth has got people buzzing with excitement. Can you imagine what this could mean for our understanding of the universe? Martian life. Have you heard the latest on the search for alien life forms? It seems the spotlight is shining brighter on Mars than ever before. Recent observations made by rovers on the Red Planet have sparked excitement among scientists who believe they may have found evidence of microbial life. Could it be that Earth is not the only haven for living organisms in our solar system? One thrilling discovery was made earlier this month when NASA's Curiosity rover detected a mixture of carbon isotopes in the rocks of Gale Crater that, if found on Earth, would signal the presence of life. The rover has also observed unexpected surges of methane, a gas predominantly produced biologically on our planet. Meanwhile, 2,300 miles away, in JEZERO crater, NASA's Perseverance rover has captured images of peculiar purple coatings on the crater floor rocks. These coatings resemble the desert varnishes on Earth that grow in the presence of microbes. However, scientists are cautious not to jump to any conclusions just yet. Every tantalizing hint of biology could be attributed to unknown aspects of Mars's geology or chemistry. After all, there is so much that we don't know about how the planet works and how non-living phenomena could be masquerading as life's fingerprints. But that's not to say the search is over. Scientists believe the next step is to bring bits of the planet back to Earth for closer inspection. The Perseverance rover is already collecting samples that could potentially contain evidence of ancient microorganisms. Curiosity's latest observation has also sparked great interest among scientists. In multiple rock samples, the rover found organic compounds with unusual ratios of carbon isotopes that resemble those found in ancient, methane metabolizing microbes on Earth. However, there are still several possible explanations for the unusual carbon ratios, and scientists are careful not to jump to conclusions. It could be that ancient microbes are indeed responsible for the imbalance, or perhaps the solar system passed through an interstellar dust cloud with a unique carbon isotope ratio, leaving its traces on Mars. Alternatively, it could be that ultraviolet light, interacting with Mars's carbon dioxide atmosphere, produced the odd signature. Regardless of the answer, this discovery will shed light on the origins of life on Earth and could have profound implications for our understanding of the universe. As Curiosity Deputy Project Scientist Abigail Freeman says, "This is an alien world that we're looking at, and so who knows what we haven't even thought of." It's an exciting time for space exploration, and the search for alien life forms continues to captivate our imaginations. Astronaut finds UFO. If you're like me, you might find yourself captivated by stories of UFO sightings and alien encounters. Now, I know it's easy to dismiss these reports as nothing more than wild conspiracy theories, but what if I told you that some of the most credible accounts of UFO sightings came from astronauts who have actually been to space? That's right, men like Edgar Mitchell, Katie Coleman, and Dr. Brian O'Leary have made claims of witnessing unidentified flying objects during their mission, and they're not the only ones. Even Buzz Aldrin, one of the first men to walk on the moon, has spoken about his own experience seeing something flying alongside their spacecraft during the Apollo 11 mission.
We were smart enough to not say, Houston, there's a light out there that's following us.
It's pretty fascinating stuff, right? What's even more intriguing is that some of these astronauts have hinted at government knowledge of alien existence and cover-ups. Thanks for watching. Let us know if you have any news regarding more discoveries about alien life. See you guys in the next video.